Imagine a scenario where our celestial companion, the Moon, veers off its predictable orbit and hurtles directly towards Earth. This isn't a distant asteroid, but our own familiar satellite, a body roughly one-quarter the size of our planet, accelerating towards an inevitable collision. As the Moon approaches, its immense gravitational pull would begin to wreak havoc, long before any physical impact occurs. Earth's crust would groan under the strain, triggering widespread earthquakes of unimaginable magnitude and volcanic eruptions across the globe. The very fabric of our planet would be stretched and distorted, leading to catastrophic geological instability. Finally, the moment of impact arrives, a cataclysmic event unlike anything humanity has ever witnessed or conceived. The initial collision would vaporize vast sections of both bodies, unleashing an energy equivalent to billions of nuclear bombs detonating simultaneously. Molten rock and debris would be ejected into space, forming a ring around the Earth, while a significant portion of the Moon's mass would merge with our planet. The immediate aftermath would plunge the Earth into an inferno, with global firestorms ignited by superheated atmospheric shockwaves. Tsunamis of unprecedented scale, hundreds of meters high, would scour continents, obliterating everything in their path. The atmosphere itself would be stripped away in places, replaced by a superheated, toxic mixture of vaporized rock and gases. Dust and ash, propelled into the upper atmosphere, would block out the sun, initiating a prolonged period of global darkness and extreme cold. This impact winter would halt photosynthesis, leading to the collapse of ecosystems and the extinction of most plant and animal life. Survivors, if any, would face a world utterly transformed, unrecognizable, and hostile. The Earth's rotation could be drastically altered, leading to extreme changes in day length and axial tilt, further destabilizing any remaining climate. Over millennia, the planet might slowly recover, but it would be a vastly different world, perhaps with a new, smaller moon formed from the debris. The oceans, if they were formed, would be chemically altered, and the atmosphere would take eons to replenish its life-sustaining components. This hypothetical catastrophe underscores the delicate balance of our solar system and the profound role the moon plays in sustaining life on Earth. Its gravitational influence stabilizes our planet's tilt, moderates our climate, and drives the tides essential for many ecosystems. Without it, or worse, if it were to collide, the Earth as we know it would cease to exist. The thought of such an event serves as a powerful reminder of the cosmic forces at play and our planet's place within them. It is a testament to the incredible, yet fragile, conditions that allow life to flourish here. Thankfully, the moon's orbit is stable, and such a collision remains firmly in the realm of theoretical speculation. Yet, exploring these what-if scenarios helps us appreciate the delicate cosmic dance that governs our existence. It reminds us of the profound interconnectedness of all things in the universe, from the smallest atom to the largest celestial body.